Ooh, a mess. Good morning, YouTube. I know I look real raggedy, but I'm about to get myself all the way together. So I'm gonna do my wash and go routine today. I'm about to hop in the shower, wash my hair. I'll go through all the products that I'm gonna use and I'll leave them in the description box below. So let's get into it. Whoa. All right, I'm back and I just finished washing my hair. All the products that I'm using are from the Moroccan oil line. So this is the shampoo that I used. This is the conditioner that I used. Ooh, I hit that one. But yeah, I'll put all the products and the links down below. And make sure y'all like and subscribe while you're down there. All right, so I'm just gonna take my hair out of this little contraption. Okay, so this is my hair, like with absolutely nothing in it. Well, I'm gonna start off with this curl defining cream. I'm gonna like section my hair off and get that all through. This kind of like doubles as a leave-in conditioner for me. So I'm just gonna like speed this part up. I'm just raking all this curl defining cream through my entire head. Now I'm gonna put in this curl control mousse. This kind of like defines the curls a little more and like separates them. So I'm just gonna take like kind of a lot because my hair is like super thick. Bam! And I'm just gonna like put it all through my hair. Like this. I might have to get some more. Definitely gonna have to get some more. Boom. Okay, so the mousse is in, and now I'm gonna go in with this styling gel. And I'm not gonna rake this through because like you're not supposed to like, you know, rake gels through your hair. I'm just using this to like scrunch my curls. Finish it off. Ooh, oh, yes. With this Moroccan oil treatment or whatever. And this is just the oil that's gonna hold all the product in. Make sure my hair stays nice all day. Now my hair is still like damp. And that's okay. It's just gonna dry and like get bigger, but it'll still, the curls will still be defined because of the product that's in it. Whatever. My baby hairs do what they want, so I don't even bother like messing with them. So this is how my hair looks. Oh yes. I would literally just leave the house like this and let it air dry and it would be fine. But I'm also gonna show you how I diffuse my hair. So this is like a 2-in-1 type video. So I am going to do this on the high setting, but on cool. Okay guys, what I'm doing right now is I am drying my roots. I'm just making sure that I use the diffuser towards the roots of my hair because that's the first step. So that's what you'll see me doing here, and I try my best not to touch my hair with my hands during this because it'll just make it like super frizzy, and that's not the look I'm going for. So I'm gonna speed this up. Okay, so now that like my roots are somewhat dry, I guess, now the next step is to diffuse this way up. So like you're crunching your curlies. Okay, so now I am done diffusing, and you can like totally tell the difference. My hair is a lot more voluminous than it was. My hair's not completely dry, which is totally fine. That would take like hours if I was gonna try to dry out my hair. But I really love how my hair looks after it's diffused, and I don't diffuse it all the time, but I might start. But like look how defined these curls are. This Moroccan oil line is literally my favorite. I swear by it. So if you are a natural, I would highly recommend checking it out. Like they have products for every type of curl, wave, whatever you're looking for. They have it all. All right, that's my wash and go routine. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my content, and I will see you guys in my next one.